like a seesaw in the yard. I think I need to take a little jog like a snowbird fleeing for warmth in the fall. Why don't we just stay, she says, we can play outside in those winter days, and we can get well adjusted in our line jean pants. Hang in there, they say, we'll be celebrating St. Patty's Day with Guinness, wool socks, bean boots, and you can ski and surf the same day. Welcome to Maine, welcome home to Maine. It's vacation land, yeah, we're living here all the time. Welcome to Maine, yeah, welcome home to Maine. It's vacation land, yeah, we're having a good old time. Yeah, we are.